In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download FF in BlueStacks. We will walk through everything step by step, so if you are brand new to BlueStacks or to Free Fire, just follow along and match what you see on your screen. First, open BlueStacks 5 on your Windows PC. Once it loads, you will see the main BlueStacks home screen with big app icons in the center and some options along the sides. If BlueStacks takes a little time to start the first time, that is normal. Just wait until the home screen appears before moving on. Now, on the BlueStacks home screen, click System Apps. This icon usually sits along the top row and looks like a small folder containing built-in tools. When you click it, a small grid of default apps will open, and this is where BlueStacks keeps things like the Play Store and the browser. From there, open Google Play Store. When you click it, a new window fills most of BlueStacks with the familiar Play Store layout, a search bar at the top, and different app sections below. If the Play Store asks for a moment to load, let it finish before you try to search. At this point, sign in with your Google account if prompted. Type your Gmail address and then your password, then continue through any simple confirmation screens. This links Free Fire to your Google account so your game progress can be backed up. A common beginner mistake is closing this window too early, so stay until you see the main Play Store homepage with the search bar ready. Once you are signed in, search for Free Fire. Tap the search bar at the top, type Free Fire, then press Enter on your keyboard. The results page will show several similar games with icons, names, and ratings. Take a second to look at the first few results so you do not click the wrong game. Next, select the official Free Fire game. Look for the proper Garena Free Fire title with the correct logo and a very high number of downloads and reviews. When you click it, you open the game detail page, which shows screenshots, a big install button, and a short description. Checking this page also confirms you are not installing in imitations. Now click Install. After you click, the button changes to show progress, and a download bar starts to fill. BlueStacks uses your PC internet connection, so the time will depend on your speed. You can watch the progress percentage climb until it reaches 100. After that, wait for the installation to finish. Do not close BlueStacks or the Play Store while this is happening. When it completes, the Install button changes to Open, and you will also see a small notification inside BlueStacks saying the app has been installed successfully. With that ready, return to the BlueStacks home screen and click the Free Fire icon to launch it. The game will open in a new window inside BlueStacks, show its loading screen, then bring you to the main lobby after any first-time downloads. You have now downloaded and opened Free Fire in BlueStacks 5, ready to play on your PC. If this helped you get Free Fire running, a quick thumbs up helps others find it, and you can subscribe if you want more BlueStacks tips.